to withdraw money from Sweat Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Sweat Wallet. So first of all, just open your Google Play Store or App Store, and after that just simply search for Sweat Wallet, and after that just install the application in your mobile device. And once you install the application in your mobile device, just simply enter your credentials, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And if you don't have an account already, just simply create one for yourself. And once you have the account in the Sweat Wallet, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just go to the token section from the menu given below. So if you want to withdraw money from your Sweat Wallet, in order to withdraw the money, you need to have some money or some token in your Sweat Wallet in order to withdraw them. So as you can see that my Sweat Wallet is quite brand new, and that is why I don't have any Sweat coins or tokens or any money in my Sweat Wallet as of now. But if you have money in your Sweat Wallet, you will be able to see the money or the tokens that you have in the home screen itself. And in order to remove them, you first need to convert the Sweat Wallet into some other cryptocurrency like USDT, Bitcoins or Ethereum. And once you're done swapping your Sweat Wallet to the different cryptocurrency like USDT and other options, and after that you will be able to withdraw the money quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Sweat Wallet. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.